Hold on, I can't do like 3 things at once. I'm terrible at multitasking. Hold on, Eli, let's get this together. I'll post like a picture somewhere on the screen. I'm gonna say like right, I don't know. We're gonna say right here. I'm gonna post a picture right like there. Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited because I'm finally back. Hello, hi, how are you? It's been about a month since I've uploaded my last video, but I'm so happy that I'm finally sitting down and doing makeup. Let's address the elephant in the room. I'm using my backdrop from like a few videos back. I'm normally in the other studio downstairs, but I decided to go back into my room because I just loved filming here. I'll probably film the rest of the videos in the studio, but for now, this is what I'm using. As you know, all makeup on my channel is cruelty-free. That being said, let's get into the song. Cruelty-free, or it's not for me. Oh my gosh, I haven't done that in so long, and I'm so happy that I just did that. Whew, it feels good to be back. So a few things are addressed in this video. 1, new products that I'm loving. 2, why I was on my break. And 3, the James Charles, Tati, Jeffree Star YouTube scandal. So if you want to hear about all of that, as well as see how I get this beautiful makeup look, grab a drink, grab a snack, sit down, and get ready with me. Alright, so let's get into it. We got a lot to talk about. So starting off with Collab Beauty. Let's talk about this, shall we? So a few months back, I got a DM from Collab Beauty asking me to try out some of their products. So I was like, this is awesome. I got a package from them maybe a few weeks ago, and I was so excited to try it out. I had it all laid out on my bed, and I did a Instagram poll asking you guys whether or not you wanted to see it happen. So a lot of you guys wanted to see a review, so I set it aside for a future video. And when I came back from my trip, I don't know if you guys saw in December, but I did a Christmas video where I actually showed my new puppy. This beautiful dog decided to destroy all of my Collab Beauty makeup. So, a few of them I was able to salvage, like the hydrating primer and this beautiful setting powder. I also salvaged this eyebrow pencil because I was trying them out and I actually really enjoyed those few products. So unfortunately, I can't do a full face of collab makeup, so that's that on that. Okay, so Tati talks about this Tarte pore filling primer all the time, and so finally I was like, you know what? There was a 20% off sale for Rouge members a while ago. It was a whole sale for Sephora, and so I was like, you know what? Might as well try it out. So I've been trying it out for the past few days, and it really does work. It blurs the crap out of my pores. Like, wow. I'm not exactly sure whether it's been breaking me out. See, I think Frederick here has to agree with me on that. So I'm a little worried that this has been breaking me out. It really has blurred my pores. So I'm gonna try it out for a few more days. If I see more breakouts, I'm gonna have to stop this product. But I really wanna use it because it's really, really, really good. Since I have these blemishes, I'm gonna take this Smashbox green stick and try to color correct because it's not looking cute. Okay, listen, maybe this color corrector won't actually work as soon as I put a full coverage foundation on, but you know what? I am an optimist, and I believe that this might help, even though I very well know this probably won't. So now that I'm looking like Shrek over here, let's add some foundation, shall we? Come on, foundation! There's still so much left. Okay, so I want to start on foundation because I know that when I start talking, I'm never gonna actually finish my makeup. Because, oh my gosh, do I ever stop talking? Literally no. Okay, so I've been gone for a month, and a lot of you are probably wondering, where the heck have you been? So, I'll tell you. About 3 weeks ago, I started on the March of the Living. So the trip was 2 weeks long, and the first week is in Poland, where you look at all these death camps and stuff. It basically talks about the Holocaust. Yeah, I know, it's not really something fun you want to talk about on your YouTube channel, so I don't even know why I'm talking about it. Second week is in Israel, and that's super, super fun. It's kind of discovering your Jewish identity. So there's a lot of different activities that we do, some excursions. I don't know, it was really fun and really impactful, extremely educational, and if anyone is thinking about doing it, you definitely should. It's for juniors and seniors. If you are way older than that, sorry, but they have an adult trip, so if you want to do that, you can. Anyway, this isn't an advertisement for it. I just thought I'd let you know what I was doing for 2 weeks. And then, the third week, I just came back and a whole lot of stuff happened. Alright, so where was I? Sorry, I look crazy right now. So after the March, I actually had my birthday. And it was very exciting. I turned 19. I know, how freaking crazy is that? 19? I feel so old. So yeah, I'm 19, and me and a few of my very, very, very close friends, we went to this cute little place called Flashback Diner, and we had some food, we hung out, we went to ice cream after. It was great. So, as many of you know, I'm lactose intolerant. Well, okay, not lactose intolerant, but definitely lactose sensitive. So, when we went for ice cream, I made sure that I got non-dairy, obviously, because that could have been a disaster. I'm just saying. My friends look out for me, and I'm so grateful for all of them. They mean so, so much to me. And I'm so glad that I have that little inner circle. You know what I'm saying? Of course, for my birthday, I had to like show up to show out. And I'll show up a picture. I looked snatched. I looked really good, okay? I'm not gonna lie. So my outfit caused a little bit of controversy. So you could probably tell where the problem was. By the way, I'm using the Collab Beauty powder, and oh my gosh, it is so, so, so good. It has replaced my Laura Mercier, and it's way cheaper. And you get way more products in here. So I was in New York, and I discovered this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy powder, and I remember Tati talking about it once, but oh my gosh, it is really good. So I just set the rest of my face using this powder. So a lot of people have been asking me, what's my side on the James Charles, Tati, Jeffree Star controversy? Well, here's the thing. After a lot of thinking, a lot of consideration, a lot of just time, I guess, because this is coming out like 2 weeks after, so everyone's kind of done with it, honestly, and I am too. I think all of this should have been handled privately. The James Charles do some pretty crappy things, yes, but don't we all? Like, we're all human beings. We all make mistakes. Like, he didn't murder someone. Like, I don't know, people just went really far with it, and I don't like cancel culture at all. I hate it. I tried doing a poll just to see how everyone was feeling about it, but I freaking hate cancel culture. It's just, once it's trending, people just lose careers. I mean, it is scary what cancel culture can do, and really no one deserves it. It is not good for anyone at all. It's just so much negativity on the internet. There's so much wrong with cancel culture. As you can probably figure, James Charles is not canceled. He did a video after Tati, and then Tati did a video, and then he did a video again. And after watching it, honestly, it all makes sense. You have to watch it all for yourself, gain an opinion if you want. I'm just saying, for me personally, everything, like I said, should have been handled privately. Nothing should have came out on the internet. I still follow all three people. I still love all three people. And everyone makes mistakes. So anyway, not only did I have my birthday, but the next day I graduated. I still can't believe that I did. It doesn't feel real, like at all. Like, I don't feel like I graduated, but I did. So I'm very happy about it. I'm gonna put a picture up right here. I'm so glad I'm finally out of freaking school. I mean, I'm going to college, mind you, but I'm out of high school, which is really crazy to say because I've been at that same school for 14 years. So really crazy. Okay, so I'm using this new Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Into Sun. It's the lightest shade, of course, because I'm pale as heck. I've been using this for the past few days, and it is so beautiful. It is flawless, it is seamless, it is a beautiful matte buttery bronzer. I always use like my drugstore ones, so the fact that I have like a high-end bronzer is very exciting. If high school's taught me anything, I've learned a few things. One, I've learned about multitasking because oh my gosh, you need to learn how to multitask in life, and it really helps with homework and studying and life in general. My next thing that I've learned at high school is time management. I don't know if I'm still mastered it yet because a lot of things I don't use my time wisely for, but I've definitely learned to be way more efficient than I was before. So time management was a big one. And my last one is just friends. I've learned about who's been by my side through all my years and who hasn't. I've been friends with some toxic people. I've witnessed so many relationships. My advice to you is if you're still in high school and you're struggling to find friends or you're struggling to keep friends, I would say that just know that there are people out there that love you just as much as you love them. You don't have to constantly hang out in order to be friends. My best friend in the entire world, me and her don't really hang out a lot because we have so many different schedules. We're very busy doing our own things. But, you know, after a week or two, we come together and we hang out as if time did not exist. You know what I'm saying? So you will find those people in your life. I'm so happy that I found mine. And I cannot wait to go on to college and still connect with my people. And I hope that you guys find yours. Guys, I got really emotional, okay? Got really inspirational. Ugh. Let's add some highlights, shall we? I am feeling a little bare right now. Okay, just like every beauty guru, no one wants to see me do my brows on camera. So I will be right back with my brows on. Say hi to everyone. Alright, I love you, Paigey. I'll talk to you later.
I love you too.
Alright, bye. Brows are on, and let's go into the eyes. I kind of want to do the eyeshadow that I did for my birthday. It was very simple, but it was so pretty. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm using the Desi X Kitty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to do a really simple eye look. Honestly, it was really simple, but it looked so pretty. So I'm starting off with like a fluffy brush. I don't know what this video is. I thought it was get ready with me. Now it's a tutorial. I don't know what's happening. Okay, Eli, let's not do like 100 things at once. I'm going in with this shade right here. It's like a creamy brown. For most people, it's a transition color, but since I'm so pale, this is a color that I can use in my crease. I did kind of a halo eye, so I just added the color on the outer portion of my eye. And I kind of just swiped it back and forth in the crease and kind of brought it down to my lid. I wanted a more rounded eyeshadow look, so I just kind of did circles like this. And I did the same thing to the inner corner because I want to make it like a halo eye. So the darker portions are on the outer part and the inner portion is the lightest part. It's kind of like Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. I'm leaving the middle portion of my eye bare, just so I can put that light shade right in the middle. Alright, so I'm packing this warmer, darker brown right here, and then I'm going to put it right along the inner portion of my eye. Not of my eye, in my eye, around my eye. I'm going to add that shade kind of right along where that lightest shade's going to go, just for some dimension. Is it going to turn out good? I have no idea. Do you see how richer that went? Oof. I'm going to take the last brush we used before, and I'm going to go in with that original shade, and I'm just going to blend out those two colors together. Okay, I'm going to take a brush that has literally no product on it. I'm going to take the lightest shade. It's like a white bone color, honestly. And I'm just going to blend out the edges so it's not looking so weird. I'm going to use my face cream so white, but it's this like flat, dense brush that you can use right underneath your eye. I'm going to take that darker color that we used before, and I'm going to line just the outer and inner part of my eye with this shadow, leaving room in the middle, kind of like we did on the top, we're doing to the bottom. So now for the best part. Okay, it's the intersection. So I'm using this shade right here, and it's this beautiful shimmery silver champagne color. It's so pretty. Did you guys see that? Because that was really weird. I'm just going to pack that right on the inner portion, and I'm going to take it all the way up in my crease. Which I know is weird. Like me, put a shimmery color on my crease. It looks so stunning. Like, do you see? Wow. Like, wow. I'm adding that same color right underneath my eye. I'm going to line my lash line with this brown liner. My eyes always water when I do this, and I just don't understand. It annoys me so much. Oh my god. I wish my eyes would be more dry. Time to curl my lashes. This video is already super long, so I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. It is so difficult to find a song that I want to dance to, you know what I'm saying? I gotta find a vibe in order to do a slaytro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for getting ready with me. I'm so happy that I got to sit down and finally film. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I have great content coming your way, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.